In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a JS-Fiddle link. If you've ever wanted to quickly show someone your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript without zipping files or setting up a project, JS-Fiddle makes it simple. By the end, you'll have a clean link you can paste into a chat, an email, or a ticket so others can open your code exactly as you see it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to jsfiddle.net. The page loads into a simple workspace with separate panels for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of these as three drawers for the three parts of your web page. The HTML panel is where your page structure goes, the CSS panel is for styling, and the JavaScript panel is for behavior and interactions. Now paste your code into the appropriate panels. If you only have HTML, that's perfectly fine. Leave the other panels blank. If you have styles, drop them into the CSS panel. And if you have scripts, place them in the JavaScript panel. You don't need to add anything extra to make them connect. JS-Fiddle knows how to combine the panels into one working page. You can resize the panels to focus on what you're editing, and it's okay to overwrite any placeholder text you see. Once your code is in place, click Save in the top right corner. This is the key moment. Saving takes a snapshot of your current code and prepares it for sharing. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing Command+S on Mac or Control+S on Windows usually does the same thing. Give JS-Fiddle a second to finish. You'll notice the page updates to reflect that your work has been saved. After saving, JS-Fiddle generates a unique link for that exact version of your code. This means anyone who opens the link will see the precise state you just saved. It's a reliable way to avoid the works on my machine problem because you're both looking at the same snapshot. To share it, simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar. That's your ready-to-send link. Alternatively, you can click the Share button in the interface, which conveniently exposes the same link so you can copy it with a click. Either route gets you a clean URL that you can paste wherever you need. Before you send it, it's a good habit to paste the link into a new tab to double-check it opens correctly. And remember, don't include any sensitive information in your code. That's it. You've created and shared a JS-Fiddle link quickly and cleanly.